Great. Welcome to the most exciting part of algebra, which is quadratic factorization. Why is it the most exciting part of it? Here we are going to apply our scientific calculator only to deliver, whether objectives or paper 2 essay, no matter. The calculator will do the work for us. So it's the smartest way you can work algebra or quadratic factorization. Let's go through the process. Let's start. Like I said earlier in the previous video, you just insert the coefficient in your calculator. Then you are there. Let's see how it works. Now, remember you must arrange it in this order. In your calculator, you go to mode. So go to mode, go to equation, and you see this one. Select this one. It has something like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Choose that one. This is what you see in your calculator. Right. So 1. Go to mode. Press mode. Press equation or select equation. Then select this sign over there. It gives you 3 spaces for you to insert. You insert only the coefficient. So the coefficient of this one is what? 1. This is what? 1. And the coefficient of this is minus 6. Please, it's not 6, it's minus 6. So you insert minus 6. So let's start with that particular question. There's a manual process, but since the calculator will do the work for us, why should we waste our time? Right? Examination is for smart people, not for intelligent people. Good. Let's go. It gives me this picture. It gives me this picture. So you go to mode, select equation, select this one. Ax squared plus bx plus c. Good. We can go now. Alright, so I insert my coefficient only. First coefficient is what? 1. Then you press equal sign. Second one is also 1. Equal sign. The next one is negative 6. Equal sign. Make sure you have filled the right coefficient. When you are done, press equal sign again. The first term will come. So what is the first term for this question? I got negative 3. You press equal sign again, second one will come. You get what? I got 2, as you can see in the calculator. So when you get this, this is what you are supposed to do. Change their signs. So the negative, make it positive. The positive, make it negative. When you are done, put the variable in front. The variable here is only x. So put x here. Put x there. You are factorized. That's the answer. Is it interesting? That's all. You have factorized. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. This is the question. 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. So let me clear my distance. So you can use your arrow to go back. You can use your cursor arrow to go back. The coefficient is what? 2. So I press 2. Equal sign. It fills it. Have you seen? The next one is negative 7. So negative 7. Equal sign. It fills it. The last one is 6. I press 6. Equal sign. So make sure you have inserted the right keys. 2, next 7, and 6. Equal sign. It gives you the first term. The first term it gave me is 3 over 2. Equal sign again. It gives me 2. Now, why are we having a fraction in this? Whenever the coefficient is greater than 1, you have at least one of the terms to be a fraction. It's a key. Take note. You have at least one. But when it is not, you say this. It will be whole numbers. So you are free. Let's move on. Why do we have 2 answers all the time? It's quadratic. That's why you see square. So if you have cubic equation, it starts with cube. You have 3 answers. We are expecting 3 answers. Right? Take note. Now, like I told you, when you get them, what do? Change the sign. This one is plus already. So make it what? Negative, minus. So let me rewrite it. Minus 3 over 2. This one is also what? Positive. So make it what? Minus. So minus 2. After that, put the sign in front of them. So this and that. Now, the one which is a fraction, multiply the denominator by the variable you have attached. So just cross multiply. So this one becomes what? Becomes 2x minus 3. That's one bracket. The second one becomes what? X minus 2. That is your answer. You are done. Can you see it here? Period. This is all you expected. Is it interesting? Do you love it? Period. That's all. There's no work to be done. When it's paper 2, when you get there, I'll show you how to use it to do paper 2 as well. The same procedure, but how to multiply them in the issue. Alright, so then next question, let's answer this one. This last one. There we go. 2m squared minus 13mn minus 15n squared. Now, this is also quadratic. Whenever you see a square here, let's say a squared, and see the other variable b squared, and the two of them meet at the center, it is also quadratic. Apply the same principle. Take note. So you can see m squared and the last one is what? Second one is what? N squared. The two of them met at the center. When you have that, you have liberty to behave that way. So let's do that one too. So this one, so let me go. So I press equal sign. Okay, let me clear my screen. So I can clear my screen. Delete. I can go back with the arrow. Okay, I press equal sign. Okay, AC. Now let's go. The first coefficient is what? 2. So I put in 2 equal sign. The next one is minus 13, not 13, minus 13. So negative 13 equal sign. Okay. The next one is negative 15. Negative 15. So negative 15. Sorry, negative 15 equal sign. Make sure you have inserted the right key. 2, negative 13, negative 15. It's not going to delay you, so don't rush. Equal sign. The first term has come. So my first term is, let me write it on the calculator screen. I had negative 1. Second term, I had 15. So this is 15 over 2. What do you do? Change the sign. So this one becomes what? Minus. This one becomes minus, and this one becomes what? Plus. Take note. Now, you multiply, you attach the symbols. So what are the variables? There are two variables in this case. So put one variable, the first variable in front, attach the second variable to the next number. Here the same thing. The first variable in front, attach the second variable to the other term. So you share it for them. If there are two variables. But if it's one variable, it gets good. So finally you get what? Remember, you multiply the one which is a fraction, the denominator by the first term. So it becomes what? 2m, that's minus 15n. Okay. The next one is m plus n. 1n is the same as n. This is the final answer. Do you see it? As it has been worked manually. Period. Perfect. Do you like it? So that's how to solve quadratic expression using your calculator. Period. Okay, I promise that when it's paper 2, what do you do? So let's see how you treat it when it's paper 2. Let me pick this one and use it. So let's go. 2 equal sign minus 7.